Before starting the video, click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Hello and welcome to House of Commerce. Hope you all are doing well. So today we are going to discuss about part 2 of cost accounting multiple choice questions. Part 1 that we discussed before, the link is given down into the description. You can go and watch that as well and you can prepare for your exams. Now let us take a look on the first MCQ of today. Basic objective of cost accounting is: number 1, tax compliance, financial audit, cost ascertainment, and profit analysis. Let's move forward to the answer. The right answer is cost ascertainment because we do not have to calculate the tax. We do not have to prepare for the financial audit while preparing the goods. Because as we all know, that cost accounting is just used to calculate the cost of different products. Now let's move to the second one. Process costing is suitable for A. Hospitals, B. Oil refining firms, 3. Transport firms, and the last one, bricklaying firms. Let us move forward to the answer. So the right answer is oil refining firms, because the process costing is used for that products which are prepared by going through from many of the processes. So hospitals and transport firms are those which provide the services, and there are no product which are produced by going through from many of the processes. And the bricklaying firm have just a single process, therefore no process costing is used, and therefore only normal job order costing can be applied on the bricklaying firms. Then the third one, cost classification can be done in dash: A. 2 ways, B. 3 ways, C. 4 ways, and D. several ways. Let us move to the answer. The right answer is several ways, because the cost classification can be direct, indirect, or it can be in any other way which contributes towards the product directly or indirectly. Therefore, there are several ways to classify the cost. Then, on number 4, we have direct expenses are also called dash: major expenses, B. chargeable expenses, C. overhead expenses, and D. sundry expenses. Let us take a look on the answer. So the right answer is chargeable expenses. Chargeable expenses means those expenses which are directly attributable to the cost of the product. And whosoever hasn't seen our lecture on cost accounting, they can go and search down in the description and they can watch the whole lecture where I have explained all those things. The direct expenses are those which are directly traceable, attributable to the product. Then on number 5, we have warehouse rent as a part of dash: prime cost, factory cost, distribution cost, and production cost. Let us take a look to the answer. It is distribution cost. Why it is so? Because in prime cost you only have to take the direct material and direct labor. Factory cost means those costs which are incurred into the factory, and production cost which are incurred during the production process. And warehouse rent is the secondary item, and it does not contribute anything to the product. Therefore, it shall not be the part of rest of the 3, but the part of distribution cost. Then let's move to the 6th. Total of all direct cost is termed as dash: prime cost, B. works cost, C. cost of sales, and D. cost of production. I repeat, total of all direct cost is termed as dash: prime cost, works cost, cost of sales, and cost of production. Now let us take a look to the answer. The right answer is prime cost, because I've told you in the previous MCQ that direct material plus direct labor means the prime cost, and the rest of the expenses are classified as factory overhead and they are added into the production cost, but they are not classified as prime cost. Now number 7. Audit fee is a part of dash works on cost, selling overhead, distribution overhead, and administration overhead. Let us take a look to the answer. Now the right answer is administration overhead, because audit fee does not contribute to the product, therefore it cannot be the part of work on cost. Then the selling overhead, because it does not contribute into the selling of goods. Then distribution cost, and it does not contribute in it as well. Then the last one, administration overhead, because it is purely the work of office and not pertain to the factory, therefore the administration overhead shall be the part of audit fee. Number 8. Toy manufacturing industry should use unit costing, B. process costing, C. batch costing, and D. multiple costing. Let us take a look to the answer. So the right answer is batch costing. Why the batch costing? Because the batch costing is used for that products which are considered as a batch and not the single individual products. Now let us take a look to the 9th. Cost of unit of a sugar industry can be dash per liter, per ton, per acre, and per meter. Let us take a look to the answer. Answer is per ton, because per liter is used for the liquid, per acre and per meter are used to measure the area, and per ton is used to measure or to weight the solid products. Then 10th one, overtime is actual hours being more than the normal time, B. actual hours being more than the standard time, C. standard hours being more than the actual hours, and D. actual hours being more than the standard time. Let us take a look to the answer. Right answer is actual hours being more than the normal time.